Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's lesson, we're starting off with coordinate planes. So it asks, find the coordinates of the shape, then reflect the shape over the x-axis. Alright. This is a little hard to see, but it goes 1, 2, 3 to the right, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 upwards. So for point red, the x value would be 3 and the y value would be 4. For point yellow, goes 5, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 up, so 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8, then 2 up, so it'd be like that. And then for point blue, I'll just put it up here, goes 1, 2, and each of these are 5, so 5, 10, then 5, 10. So B is 10, 10. Alright, now I'll give you a moment to write that down. Okay, so for now let's just focus on point blue. So it says, the question is asking, find the coordinates after it's reflected over the x-axis. So if we imagine the x-axis is kind of like a mirror, if you reflect it over this mirror, then this x-axis, then the blue point would be right here. And remember, blue was 10, 10, but this point is, it transforms into 10, negative 10, goes 5, 10, then it goes down 5, down 10, so 10 to the right, and then 10 down. So when it's reflected over the x-axis, it becomes 10, negative 10. And if you notice, the x value is the same, and then all that changes is for the y value is the sign. So when we're reflecting over the x-axis, the x value stays the same, but the y value becomes opposite. So we said that red was 3, 4, y was 8, 2, and b is 10, 10, of course. So the coordinates after the reflection over the x-axis would be red. The red point would be 3. The x-axis, the x value stays the same, but the y value changes. It's the opposite. Basically, it switches signs. So for point yellow, 8, negative 2. And then as we said, B, it will become 10, negative 10. You don't necessarily have to include these letters, but I just put them there so it's so you can tell which point I'm talking about. So I guess just as a demonstration, I could show you. If we're to plot, if we're to reflect all of these points on the graph over the x-axis, point yellow would become right here, right there, and point red would become right here. So our triangle would be like this. It's like a reflection. It is a reflection. Alright, I'll give you a second to look at that. And then once you do number 2, go on to the next page. Alright. Write the improper fractions as a mixed number. So this is pretty easy. 9 over 2. Just see how many times 2 goes into 9. So 2 goes into 9 4 times. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 is the biggest number it can get. that fits into 9, that is a multiple of 2. So mixed numbers, so the big number on the side would be 4. Right here, 4. And then the denominator does not change, so it's still 2. And 4 times 2 equals 8. And in order to get to 9, what do you have to do to 8? You just add 1. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. So that remainder, 1, goes here. So 9 over 2 equals, in mixed number form, 4 and 1/2. Pretty easy. Now the next page is basically the same thing, but backwards. So what we do here is multiply these and then add this. So 3 times 3 equals 9. And then 9 plus 2 equals 11. And then the denominator stays the same, so it's 11 over 3. And then that would be your improper fraction right there, which is that. Okay, next page. Alright, find the mean, median, and mode. So for the mode is the number that occurs the most. So already from just looking at this list of numbers, 59 and 59 repeats. It's the only number that shows up twice. So we already know that the mode is 59. And for the median, which is the middle number, we just narrow it down, I guess. So the smallest number is 21, the biggest number is 99, second smallest 22, second largest 95, and then we keep on going, 24, then 83, 32, 76, 57, 59, and 59. So the median is also 59. Alright. So 59 and 59. And in order to find the mean, or the average, we would add all of these numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. So the sum of all these numbers, the sum divided by the number of numbers in the list. So it'd be, just to save time, I already calculated this beforehand. It'd be, the sum of all these numbers would be 627. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Divided by 11. And that equals 57. So our mean would be 57. Alright. So after you solved all of these, you can check your answers here with the answer key. Alright, guess that's it. See you next time.